Yo, it's Al, and welcome to another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. Today I'm unboxing some jerseys from ASPHALT Social Klub. So, let's get to it. ASPHALT Social Klub are a Cardiff-based brand that started in 2020, using their past experience and knowledge of graphics, printing, fabrics, and then combining all of this with their inspirations of high fashion and street fashion, art, cultural heritage, and of course, retro and current football. So without further ado, let's get this open and check out what's inside. So, first up, we have the Japan Mecha anime jersey. Inspired by some of the unforgettable 90s J-League jerseys, combined with Japan's famous anime scene, shown through the contrasting colours of the red and the white on the blue, as well as the big robot on the front holding the ball. After this, we have the Mexico home Guadalupe jersey. Inspired by the most famous Mexico jersey ever, the Aztec calendar shirt from 1998. With the patron saint of Mexico, Our Lady of Guadalupe, front graphic, and the iconic Azteca ball from the Mexico 86 World Cup on the back. Now this one's a bit different. We have the Brazil Redeemer goalkeeper jersey, which is inspired by the notorious and classic 1970s kit worn by Felix in their famous World Cup winning campaign. The all-black goalkeeper jersey with the long sleeves and the oversized Christ the Redeemer emblazoned on the back of the shirt. Now we have the Italy 96 Duomo jersey. Inspired by the mid to late 90s period in Italian kits, this classic blue with the all-over print taken from the cathedral in Milan Duomo, finished off with all the gold detailing, just completes this jersey. And last, but by no means least, of course we have the Wales red home jersey. This iconic Welsh jersey features a flaming red front all across, as well as the classic dragon logo just on the crest on the chest, with on the reverse of the jersey a brief history of Welsh football and a big salute to the icon Gareth Bale. And I cannot forget the Wales reversible bucket hat. So if you want to coordinate, you can wear it this side, or you simply give it a flip and you will get to see the black together stronger bucket. So a big shout out to all the guys at ASK. Make sure to go and follow and check them out at ASPHALT Social Klub. And of course, this has been another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you next time. Peace.